how's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to the beach with the lads, another beach day lads, for my best friend's birthday, Dylan. So gonna try to record as much as I can, get some funny stuff in there. So I'll see you guys there. And like always, I'm kind of late, so they're gonna be pissed at me. So. I was actually telling the camera on the way here that everyone was gonna be pretty mad I was gonna be late. Never mind.
Tristan's car was
it sounds.
moaning last night.
I know. I heard it.
When he was in reverse, it was like.
You guys make a whole separate group chat without me?
We would never. No, we actually talked about it behind your back last night.
When I was asleep?
Yeah.
It's a Moscow Mule.
Ooh, that's my favorite Bad Bunny song.
Moscow. Did you get those from Hanson's Sevilla?
Yeah, I did.
Those are awesome.
They're not. They used to be gray. They look pretty third world country. Thanks, bro. Is Spain? Yeah, Spain is. No, I think it's second. No, that's not a third world country. It's not second.
Second to America.
It's not. I don't know. Huh? It's a first world country.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, they got plumbing.
Textbook definition.
That's at least second.
Do you think I have time to change a contact?
It depends.
Why'd you wait till now?
Are you bringing this in the Cooper car?
Yes.
Cooper car?
What did you bring, dude? It was Big Tuna? Oh, in Ohio, there was this bar called Ugly Tuna. It was like apparently the spot for like Ohio State people. Yeah, it was pretty bummed. I feel like I was in the Reconstruction era.
Ohio.
It was alright. I mean, it was cool, like seeing a new state.
You was living the dorm life again.
No, I was in a hotel room.
Okay. Room service?
Yeah, girl service.
Babe service?
No food service. I've only been.
I know. I really.
It does look good.
My mom's commented every single day on it. She says, "Oh my God, it's again the shampoo you're using right now."
Do you like your mom?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I thought Chamber was a dog.
It's been a while.
You want to spray?
I like your hat.
Thanks, I like your hat.
For sure. Alright guys, we're having a jumping competition. Tristan's up next.
You're doing him dirty, bro. This isn't fair.
Oh, what do you mean?
He's gonna get choked.
This is gonna be so good. Hey! Casey, are you peeing right now?
That's actually really impressive.
It's getting you turned on. 2, 1.
Oh!
I gotta admit, that got hurt my shoulder. I'm not doing it again.
Today we're on the beach for Dylan's birthday. Little does he know we're about to prank him, so we bought him a car. He's got no fucking idea. Nothing good.
Oh my God! No! Oh, the Noki! Oh, that's good! Oh!
We're yanking.
Nick, watch this. Watch
No,
this.
we're yanking.
You ready?
Wow! What are you doing, man?
Quality video.
It's pretty good so far.
Wait 1 sec.
Alright, Leong.
I think I'm out.
I think I'm out. 2, 1. Wow, you go far.
Oh no.
You okay, bro? You okay, bro?
I just like relax.
Alright, we have Elisa as a sub.
Oh, yeah. I'll watch. I'll film. I'm
He just puts on the
I'm really not playing.
puts that on and just throws stuff over.
That's what he did, bro. He said, I'm gonna throw up.
No, but if you put the
chest strap on and
tank on and just throw POV throw up.
And all up in my fucking sinuses.
So,
How do you get it on your nose?
I threw up through my nose.
Oh, how did you? Did he dip your face in the nose? Or in
No,
the
but
sand?
like, throw up came out through my nose this time. That's never happened. That's the first time though. Have you guys ever thrown up and had it come out?
Yeah, I've never had it.
Throwing away your good love in your time. Okay, got your tongue, girl, say what's on your mind. Was this before? Wait, I forgot to mention, oh. Girl, take it low, kiss it like a mistletoe. You that
Alec ate shit.
Whoa. Can't wait to eat my wiener. Shifty shaft.
guys college freshmen or?
Senior.
Oh, wow.
Incoming
I'm
senior.
old. I can't tell anymore.
We act like kids still.
Planning my 20-year high school reunion.
Oh.
Whoa.
That long.
That sounds like fun.
I don't want to go to my high school.
Yeah.
You have the beach pit technique down. Is this something you did in high school or?
That's all him.
Yeah, I just dig holes.
He's a Boy Scout.
Guys, did you realize what's this fucking? No, we're famous.
There's sand on my dog.
We're gonna be on national television.
Yeah.
What's the Chronicle? Like the SF Chronicle?
Is that a magazine?
I'll tell Jaden to keep his eye out for it.
Go to a bar.
This is a nice color.
Oh, gee, we brought that in.
Hey, look behind you.
This morning.
They put it in a meatball.
The fucking.
Okay, should I try super?
That looks like balls.
That looks like what came out of my arm.
Oh my god.
Smoke goes to the hottest people. Are there no more sausage?
Wait, we need more wood on this shit.
Hey, get the bud. Fuck. What happened? This is bad, man. What happened? We're getting fucking.
The wind is shifting.
We're getting smoked. This looks done. Look at that. Oh, look at the juices. Is that next meat?
Are you gonna put that in a bun?
That looks so good. Look at that.
Nick, we need the rating of this when it's done. It does. Ask Casey. He had some.
My ball is
Yeah.
really
Is it
good.
yummy?
It was.
Yeah, Casey.
I would have it again.
thing that I crave. It's been a hell of a wonderful day. I guess I'm getting the things that I pray for. Like when you have it your way. Catch a open shot in our shoes. What would you do if you were in my shoes? Girl, I love the way that you